Alright folks, I got a package in the mail I got home from work today. All the way from China, I believe. It's a little Locksmith teardown kit made by Hook. So what do we got here? We got some pliers. We got a plug holder. Got another plug holder, different size. Got a clip remover. Got some tweezers. Got some followers, 3 different sizes. And looks like these 2 are for Euro. You got the slot for the pin holder, spring-loaded pin holder. Holds the pins up in the plug, and the little slot here. It fits right in there. So we got some followers. 2 are solid with the slits. The medium one is hollow. And these things, no, they're not magnetic. There's 3 of them. They're all the same size. I have no idea what they're for. Anybody have a clue what these are for tearing down locks? Please let me know in the comments. But this is the Hook Locksmith toolkit here for tearing down locks. I have no idea what these solid round things are for. Unless they go in the back of the plug when you're repinning it, but I don't know. Comes with the followers, pin holder, tweezers, circlip remover, 2 different plug holders, some pliers, and a nice little case here. And here's what the top looks like. I think Goso sells the same kit. I think it's the same thing. I got this on banggood.com for $24 shipped. The UK sites sell these for like, I think, 26 euros plus shipping, but it's the same thing. Alright guys, like, subscribe. Anybody knows what these are for, let me know. Thanks for watching.